berry extract. So, the total body benefit of berries are packed with antioxidant called anthocyanins that helps keep memory sharp as you age. So, basically, since pinag-usapan natin yung antioxidant, berries are the super fruits that are rich in antioxidant. That's why, if you're taking glutathione along with Lux Renew, iba yung glow mo. Kasi you are taking the superfruits with antioxidants. It contains ellagic acid that contains anti-cancer properties. Yung nagtitake nito, mapansin nyo, ang ginagawa kasi niya, as you age, yung mga cells natin nadadamage na mamatay. Tama? That is why nagkakaroon na tayo ng wrinkles, fine lines. Those are signs of aging. That's why it's called renew kasi nire-regenerate niya. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa niyang bata yung old cells mo. Ginagawa niyang new yung damaged cells mo. Kaya yung nagtitake, mas nagmumukhang bata. Pero internally, yung cells at tissues mo, na-renew niya. Kaya mas maganda yung effect niya internal. Pero yun naman pag maganda yung condition ng internal organs mo, glowing ka. Kaya pansinin mo, dialysis patient are dry. Yung mga may sakit sa liver, nag-yellow yung mata, nag-yellow yung balat, jaundice. Kasi nga, yung liver nila affected. So, pansinin mo yan. Pag maganda yung internal organs mo, glowing yung skin mo. Pag may problem sa skin mo, may problem sa internal organs mo. Kaya nga, maganda na meron kang food supplement rich in antioxidant. Kasi ang pinaka-main naman na problem are the free radicals talaga. So, cancer cells are fast-growing cells kasi nga, na-attack nila yung mga normal cells. Pero kung marami kang antioxidants, there's no room for cancer cells to enter the body or multiply. Nagigets ba? So, kahit may cancer na, pwedeng-pwede nyo pa rin ipatake ng Lux Renew. Meron akong kamag-anak na stage 2 breast cancer siya. While chemotherapy, pinapatake ko siya ng Renew at Protect at Gluta. After 3 sessions, cancer-free siya, pero wala din siyang, hindi na-damage yung internal organs niya. Kaya yung mga kasama niya sa hospitals na may cancer, bumili din ng Lux Renew. Ganun ka-powerful yung Renew. Protect heart from inflammation, reduce and eliminate harmful bacteria. Berries are also packed with vitamin C and potassium. Yung potassium po is sa water in the body. Potassium din is responsible for heart and heartbeat natin. Helps regenerate old and damaged cells. Unahin natin yung pomegranate. 8 to. Yes. Pero mabilis lang to. Anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. Kaya maganda din kumakain ng broccoli. Parang kumain ka na din ng pomegranate. Urinary health support, digestive health, endurance, antimicrobial properties that fight oral germs that cause gum disease and bad breath. So yung pomegranate is responsible for this. Noni fruit, noni juice may improve joint health. So, yung nanay ko, ewan ko kung nasa presentation niyo siya, but my mother has gout. So, yung gout po, pag mataas yung uric acid mo, it is a byproduct ng process sa katawan. So, tumitigas yung mga joints kasi mataas yung uric cholesterol niya. Pansin nyo, may mga matatanda na ganun yung kamay. Yung may mga dito sa paa, gout yon. It's a type of arthritis. So, yun nga, kwento ko, sabi ng doktor, kailangan na niya ng maintenance sa Singapore. But dahil knowledgeable ako sa product, specifically, yung noni fruit are good for arthritis. So, pinatake ko siya kay mama. After 1 month taking the product, bumaba yung uric niya, cholesterol, and high blood. So, even the doctor from Singapore asked her, ano yung tinitake mo? And then when she said, I have a daughter in the Philippines that let me take a food supplement. And then nung pinakita niya, yung mismong doktor bumili ng product. And then yung mama ko sa Singapore, may gathering kasi every Sunday yung mga OFW, di ba? Hindi niya napapansin, pero yung mga kasama niya napapansin na mas bumabata siya. So, nagtatanong, anong tinitake mo? Sinabi niya yung anak ko, i-chat mo, meron siyang product. And then from there, yung nanay ko nagre-refer, hindi niya namalayan, nag-million na siya sa front row dahil sa Lux Renew. Yes. And then, since I started front row for the past 8 years, nanay ko tinitake yung Lux Renew. 2 months ago, pinalaboratory ko siya, whole body, wala siyang sakit. Dahil sa Lux Renew. Ganon ka-powerful yung product natin. Her liver is good, her lungs, her heart is good, and she looks younger every day. Okay? So, guys, kung meron man kayong gifts sa magulang nyo, kung wala ka pang pera, every month nyo silang bilhan ng Lux Renew. Kasi ganun siya kaganda. Okay? And then, weight management, bone health, blood pressure, improves gum health. Yan, yung noni fruit ay para sa may mga arthritis. Blackberry, protect against heart disease, prevent cancer, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic. So, sa may mga diabetes, yung blackberry is one of the fruits na maganda sa kanila kasi yung insulin nga. Pag wala ka na kasing insulin sa katawan, mahihirapan na yung sugar mo na ma-digest. So, nag-free floating na lang siya sa blood mo. Kaya, nagkakaroon ka ng diabetes. Acai berry, improved memory, protect against cancer, reduce swelling, lower blood sugar, and immune system. Goji berry, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, neuroprotective, and prebiotic. Prebiotic is good for your digestive system pa rin. Anti-obesogenic effect. Meron ba nagtitake dito ng Lux Renew na parang wala kang ganang kumain at pumapayat? Dahil yan sa berries. Yes. That's why yung Lux Renew nakakapayat din po siya. Hindi mo napapansin nakakapayat siya. Blueberry is rich in vitamin K. Heart health, bone health, blood clotting. So yung blood clotting is really needed. Kasi kung wala kang clotting factor, pag nasugatan ka, hindi agad yun mag-heal. So, kailangan mo talagang mag-take ng Lux Renew. Ano pa? Next natin. Cranberry. Ito yun sa may mga UTI. So, kung problem po sa kidney, ang recommended ko po is Lux Renew. Kasi, pag nurse ka at yung patient mo may UTI, ang nire-recommend at inaano ng doktor, cranberry juice. Pero dahil wala naman nun sa Pinas, Lux Renew na lang. Maganda po ito sa kidney natin. Also, cancer pa rin, prevent cavities, reduce inflammation, maintain digestive system. And, mangosteen. Mangosteen is found in Davao. So, this is the only fruit in Lux Renew na meron sa Pilipinas. So, this is antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, microbial, and malarial properties. So, sobrang powerful din ng mangosteen. Basta may antioxidant yan, matik na yan, maganda siya sa katawan natin. Pag ang concern nyo po is mga sakit-sakit, I would recommend Lux Renew. It is for cell regeneration kasi. Glutathione din. Pero iba din kasi yung Renew kasi 8 powerful berries yun.